What's good, YouTube, man? What is up? We're back with another one. It's your boy. Just doing a little POV. Take the WRX out. I do appreciate all the views and the likes, the subscribers, the comments. You know, I love the conversation, the talk and whatnot. All you guys' opinions, questions that you guys are asking. Like I said, keep asking them. I'm gonna keep responding to them. That downshift video did pretty well. I do appreciate everybody, all the views and the likes and whatnot. I did order the brakes as well. I did mention in that video, so those are on the way. The pads came in yesterday, actually. I got some yellow stuff pads. Those look pretty good. And the rotors are supposed to come in sometime this coming week. So they said Tuesday, so I'm expecting Tuesday. I'll probably record another video, me going to pick up some tools and stuff. I got to do that maybe tomorrow. Finally done, stopped getting rain. It was raining the past few days. That's why I've been out, but it seems like the rain's finally done. It's another reason why I wanted to come out. So I'll probably go and get those tomorrow and record that. But it's got a little traffic here, but it should open up a little bit. I thought the car would sound nice in the traffic, so I was like, let me try it out. But yeah, I think all I need is some floor jacks, jack stand, one floor jack, and I need jack stands, and then I got some ratchets and stuff. I'll see what I got to see if I need any extra pieces or whatnot. I got a torque wrench. I don't know what else I could need. Yeah, I think I got everything low key. I could see me needing some, if I don't have the exact 10 millimeter, 14 millimeter, whatever sizes those are. I want to say it's 18 and 19 on my car. But we'll see. I think I got some at home. Check out the boys at good old Harbor Freight. See what they got. I saw a pair of jack stands on Amazon. I just don't know if I trust Amazon, But it was about $10 cheaper than Harbor Freight. Or not even $10 cheaper now that I think. Harbor Freight was $50 and those were $45. So I guess $5 cheaper than Harbor Freight. And Harbor Freight's right there, so I guess I'd rather just pay the $5 knowing I could just go and pick it up, get the seat in my hands or whatnot. So that's most likely going to be the route. I'll go to Harbor Freight and get what I need. As a part of the floor jack, though, I did see a pair of floor jack for $77 at Walmart. Now, would I trust a floor jack from Walmart to be the only security? No, I wouldn't. But I don't need it to be security. I just need it to raise the car up. And can it do that? Probably can, right? So I feel like the floor jack is something that the floor jack is something that I could go cheaper on. Then again, too, I kind of want these tools to be my tools for good. So I don't want to just put cheap tools in the crib, or put cheap tools in the garage. Something that I wouldn't trust somebody to use on their own. So then again, I'll probably opt for the Harbor Freight one again, just cause I could see me spending probably a cool 200 on some tools, some parts. 'Cause I don't need much, just need the floor jack and stuff. Yo, the Honda was cutting up in front of the cop. Let me see if I can get that. He didn't know it was a cop, and look, now he getting pulled over. He was cutting up in front of this undercover statey. That's one thing. You don't ever cut up in front of a tourist or an explorer. Like, what? That's so crazy. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Nah, y'all can't see. It's too far up. He really getting pulled. He not even pulling over though. The statey got his lights on behind him. Oh, now he getting pulled over. We're gonna see him. That's tough. Remember when I did definitely mentioned it. I'm just staying here so I can maybe get a look at. Got cars passing me and John on the left. There they go right there. Damn, look at him. That's so crazy. That sucks. I was just thinking about it too. Should I keep up with Buddy? Look, good thing I didn't. But Buddy right here is blowing mines. No Diddy. This is not much, but it's a little something. Just back on the road, doing things. A lot of people say that. I have seen a few comments about people saying they like the angle right here. 60,000 miles, time for maintenance. But yeah, this is nothing. I literally got my GoPro with like a head mount. It's like, you know, I like your head mount. Your headrest got the little slit in between the headrest and the actual seat. That's what I put the head mount in between, and I put the headrest down so it's like pushing down on it, pull back on the side to get it flushed up. So you guys are just like seeing that. So it's almost like that's your head type, John. I guess that's why, like, that's why I like that angle right there. To me, it looks good. It's almost like you're in the seat with me, like you're in the whip with me. No Diddy. But yeah. Crazy if you think I'm stopping. Stop by the 8TM first. Imagine checking out your Grand Cherokee like it's a trackie. Hey. Imagine going to a Dodge dealership when the TrapWrx had came out and you get in a package, the trim, like underneath that. You asking your spouse, let's just get the TrapWrx. Let's just get the TrapWrx, and she didn't want, or he didn't want to get the TrapWrx, and now you wish you had the TrapWrx. I know somebody who really wish they would have got the track. Told him to get the track. Now he regretting not having the track. Wish he would have had the track. to pull up to the bank and then go into the dispensary. I don't want y'all to see my ATM stuff. So I'm gonna catch y'all right when I get out the dispensary because it's right next to it. And you know I don't be trying to promote that stuff and shit like that. So I catch up with y'all in a jit. What's good, YouTube? So we back in the whip from the dispenso. Sound like on one of the brake attempts, sound like that back right one really is done now. I'll be changing the brakes next weekend. Not this weekend coming up, but the weekend after, because I'll have all the stuff in. So I'll need to change them for sure then. Change them next weekend and also get my car inspected that following week. And I won't be riding dirty anymore, as they say. It's only a car inspection though, everything else is in order, but I still like to have everything in order at all times. Sometimes I be playing nice to people. Like I could have easily cut that truck off and been in front of him, going slow as dirt. I be nice to people. I don't know about y'all, cause I don't want people doing that to me. You know, I feel like there's a thing. Karma does exist. You do something to others, it's gonna happen to you. Type shit. But yeah, go ahead, get out the way. I do have a theory that might be a good little area. And imagine if I didn't even look on the other side to see if that guy was still pulled over, but imagine if they call him back up for him. Saw a couple of cops going that way. Stadies. That would suck. Doing a little cutting up on Friday afternoon, but that's on him though. Like you cutting up in front of a known hot vehicle that's known for unmarked stadies and unmarked cops, so that's on you, buddy. You should have known better. And you in a Honda at that too. Like, what are you doing, bro? It did take him a long time to pull over too, so that's something to be had. So who knows what, you know? A little shady. But I am only on break, so I am trying to get back home in time to get back to work and finish the week off, man. I'm so happy it's Friday. Thank goodness it's Friday. And everybody out there grinding, working hard every day. Continue working hard, man. Work for what you want in life. It's worth it. You either work for what you want or lay down and don't get what you want. So, I don't know. You choose it. You choose what you want to do. I'm gonna work for what I want. Yo, why is it 2 kids jumped out of that truck though? That's crazy. I don't know about you guys, but let me know if this is, in your state. Is the left lane passing lane, or is it just a cruise lane where you guys are from? Let me know. I was always taught it was a passing lane. You pass in the left lane. Well, maybe that's not the case. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm also thinking of getting a cat back. I think it's about time. I think I want to put a cat back on the car during the summer while the kids are out of school, to get the neighbors used to my car and used to the sounds that it's going to make in the morning and at night of me driving. So I think I want to put a cat back on it. Something that doesn't, I don't got to do a tune for or whatnot, because I'm not ready to mess with the headers and mess with all of that yet. But eventually, I don't know, man. It's just something about that unequal length sound. Eventually, I think I may go unequal length and just do a cylinder 4 cooling mod. But I think eventually that's what I may do. Build all my make this car as very reliable, performance-wise, as I would like it. I don't really care for power. I just really care for sound and reliability and how it looks. I want it to sound really good. I want it to look really good. And I want it to be really reliable. So with those, after I get those, then I'm going to go equal length and do the cylinder 4 cooling mod. So if anything happens, I know it's because of the cylinder 4, and I know it's because I went equal length. But hey, at that point, it is what it is. At that point, the car would have well over 100,000 miles on it. Not even close to that yet, but that's when I would do it. I wouldn't do it now while the car is very reliable. But that is the play. That's the end goal for this car. Just make it look really nice and make it sound really good. Don't really care about power and how fast it goes. Definitely be, some sort of power, but not anything crazy. I have something in store for that car that me and my fiance will be getting. Car that me and my fiance will be getting has everything to do with power, and that car is going to be the power car. This car is just Mr. Reliable and look good. Park it in the house, keep it in the garage after a while. But yeah, man. So I'm about to get in near my neighborhood. About 5-10 minutes out. I don't like to show my area, so I always like to cut it around here. So I will catch y'all in the next one. Stay tuned for that part store run. Gonna be doing a POV of that one next. So I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.